Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shabri Hassood, the GP from Southwest of England and also the Medical Director of Vidisha Health. Today we are going to be talking about vitamin D deficiency in adults. How common is it in UK? 1 in 5 adults, that is 20% of the adult population, can have vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is responsible for good bone, teeth and muscle health. Majority, that is 80% of it, is produced in the skin with the help of the sunlight. There are 10 to 20% of it you can get from the foods like liver, egg yolk, some fishes and fortified foods. So who are at risk of developing vitamin D deficiency? These are the people either they are not exposed to the sun enough or doesn't have the skin type to produce. All the ethnic minority in the UK belong to the risk groups. So what are the symptoms and signs? Now, bone health and muscle health is mainly affected. Its role in other conditions are considered, but in general practice, people generally present with osteomalacia type symptoms. For example, they complain of back pain, pain in their shoulders, ribs, pelvis, legs, muscles. They can have waddling gait. And osteoporosis is another condition where the bones can become thin and they are more risk of low trauma fractures in the hips, spine and wrists. So how do you diagnose it? With the help of a blood test. If your levels are less than 25 nanomoles per liter, then you're deficient. If it is between 25 to 50, you have got insufficient vitamin D. If your levels are more than 50 nanomoles per liter, then it is sufficient. How do you treat? If you're deficient, then we tend to give an oral loading dose, weekly dose for about 7 weeks, and then followed by a maintenance dose of 1000 to 2000 units daily. If you've got insufficient amount of vitamin D, you get 1000 to 2000 units of vitamin D every day. If you've got sufficient, then we advise that continue with your safe sun exposure, lifestyle and over-the-counter vitamin D. The good news is the prognosis is excellent. So please like, share and subscribe. I'm really looking forward to share this knowledge with everybody. It is autumn and winter in UK. I'm taking my vitamin D. I hope you are.